If you experience restless leg syndrome, I'm going to share with you the most, number one, important lab test you need to have run immediately. Let's dig into today's video. Hi, welcome back. My name is Dr. Melissa Gallagher. I'm a naturopathic physician, and my specialty is helping all of you resolve imbalances within your body from a natural perspective using functional medicine. And today we're talking about restless leg syndrome. I cannot tell you how many of my patients will list off restless leg syndrome as a tertiary symptom, kind of like off on its own little island, like, oh yeah, and then I experience restless leg. But in fact, there is one nutrient deficiency that is at the heart and totally responsible for restless leg syndrome. And one of the reasons why it affects ladies more than men is because it's based on your iron levels. Iron deficiency, low ferritin will cause restless leg syndrome without fail. So do not let your clinician or your medical provider let you out of their office without running an iron test. We need to test your ferritin levels because low grade anemia, mild anemia, or even inching on getting low can be at the core root cause of restless leg syndrome. This is really important because simply turning around your ferritin levels will decrease your body, waking you up at night, and the discomfort of having restless leg syndrome. And if you experience, you know it, it's really, really annoying. And it is one of the main reasons why I include iron tests, a ferritin test, in almost all of my labs with my patients who have some degree of restless leg and other conditions like autoimmunity, recent surgery, or imbalanced menstrual cycles, meaning heavy bleeding. These are all going to be things that can contribute to low iron. The other thing that can contribute to low iron is a genetic defect called MTHFR. I won't get into that in today's video, but if you're curious, comment down below and I will be sure to produce a video specifically about MTHFR. But when we have low iron, that's actually a symptom of something else. And some of the factors that are at play can be this gene defect that we have a methylation imbalance. We are not methylating folate or folic acid, or we're not methylating or utilizing and converting B12 via food or supplementation. So sometimes individuals who have restless leg that might be supplementing with iron, they also need to add a Methyl-B, a methylfolate, and a methyl B12. That can actually increase the likelihood of their body producing more iron naturally. We want to tap into your body's natural process, but if you have low iron, you cannot wait to resolve this. You actually have to act and support the body with both iron supplementation as well as Methyl-B and B12 and folic acid. I am going to list in the description box below some of my favorite B supplements, my Methyl-Bs, but most importantly, I'm going to recommend some of my iron because not all iron is created equally. There are also multiple forms of iron. Some are going to be more bioavailable, some will be more tolerable. And then also on top of that, you want to make sure that you're taking vitamin C, eating citrus fruit, and even supplementing with a vitamin C powder. I prefer powder or a liquid. It's more bioavailable to get that into your body. Rose hip tea is another option. So I'm going to include some recommendations in the description box below. But again, with restless leg syndrome, this often is a symptom of something else deeper going on within the body. Primarily, it is going to be caused by iron deficiency. And most critically, you want to make sure you go even deeper than that. What's causing the iron deficiency? Is it a heavy cycle? Do you have fibroids? Do you have a gut bleed? Have you had recent surgery? Do you have some hemorrhaging or hematomas that have developed? Do you experience normal imbalances in your iron levels, and that's something you're dealing with? Sometimes hair loss, brittle nails, cold hands, cold feet can be signs of that low iron, as well as restless leg syndrome. So I'm excited to share this information with you. If it was helpful, let me know if you like this information, and make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you get more information here on the Natural Health Resources channel. Thanks for tuning in, joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you later.